Pranam to all. In here, the winter season has already come. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Gardening is a relaxing hobby. It reduces stress, improves mental health, and it is also a fun activity for children. Children like us develop new skills and learn about science and nature from gardening. There are variety of interesting activity we can be involved in, such as watering, planting, harvesting, mulching, weeding, etc. Most of you know we have a kitchen garden along with a flower garden. In kitchen garden, we grow a variety of vegetables, which is also chemical and pesticides free. Last year, we were very bored due to lockdown. So, my mom started a kitchen garden and cultivated tomato, onion, garlic, ginger, spinach, bethua, methi, radish, shalgam, brinjal, etc. It removes our monotony. We keep our body and mind sound. This year, my mom will plant some winter vegetable. This is methi, and before planting it, you should soak it for 12 hours. Next is the coriander, which you should soak for 48 hours. This is spinach, and you should soak it for 8 hours. This is red amaranth, and there is no need to soak it. This is the tomato, and to plant it, you need to take a slice and then put it under the soil. The next one is capsicum, chili, etc. This is the shalgam. This is the carrot. This is the bethua. This is the lettuce. Now prepare the soil for kitchen garden. 60% garden soil, 20% kitchen compost, 10% leaf compost, and you can add dry egg shell plus banana peel, tea leaf and cocoa pit. Mix it well and you can use in kitchen garden. The best time to have seedling is in October. My mom is already planting some lettuce. We have also planted some tomatoes and also planted some coriander. When I see the green scenery of the garden, my heart leaps up with joy. I spend my leisure time in the garden. From gardening, we take some responsibility from taking care of plant. We also learn and understand the relation of cause and effect. So, I want to request you all, as possible, you can make a garden. It reduces stress and improves our mental health. If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.